Well, the FDA has now fully approved the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. More than 200 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine have already been given in the United States. Emergency use was granted back in December. FDA approval could mean more companies, universities, and organizations will mandate the vaccine for employees and students. FDA approval may make some less hesitant to get the vaccine. People are hesitant for many reasons. Even sports teams are having a difficult time convincing players to get vaccinated. Today, the Minnesota Vikings brought in an expert to try to change some minds. As WCCO's Rich Chapman reports, officials hope FDA approval will pave the way for a robust increase in vaccinations.
Some of the questions that were asked are things that you hear on the internet.
It was the day to go toe-to-toe with players who are unvaccinated. Coach Mike Zimmer brought in infectious disease expert Michael Osterholm to try and dispel myths about the COVID-19 vaccine.
I thought it went well. He's one of the top specialists in the world, and I thought he was very good with his points, answered a lot of questions. Whether or not that changes anything, I don't know. But
Coach Zimmer has been dealing with vaccine hesitancy for quite some time. An unvaccinated quarterback, Kirk Cousins, was sidelined earlier this month because he was in close contact with another player who contracted the virus. While a handful of players still hold out, Alina Hospital says it saw an increase in the number of people reaching out to get the shot.
The FDA full approval is going to be the tipping point for sure.
Dr. Venkat Iyer believes FDA approval helps change the minds of many who were unwilling to get vaccinated before.
Those people who have been sitting on the fence, thinking that, hey, this vaccine is not yet approved, will finally take that leap of faith and get the vaccine.
He also believes FDA approval will pave the way for vaccine mandates.
I expect more and more businesses as well as other healthcare organizations probably making this vaccination now mandatory because it is FDA approved.
Alina says they do have the infrastructure in place to handle the influx of requests for vaccinations it is expecting. Rich Chapman, WCCO 4 News.
Many people reached out on social media about their hesitancy to get the vaccine. Some told us they are exercising their rights because we all have a choice. Others said they don't trust the FDA. Some said they're afraid of big pharma.